So we're in Nara, and I'm with and what we're gonna do is get some food, and then we're gonna feed some of these deers. And we're also just.
It's a whole entire pack.
Oh yeah, they all got really beautiful antlers too. So we're gonna grab some of this food over here, and we're also gonna watch some of the people feeding them. So there's kind of an art to it, and I think we discovered the art. Oh, look at this deer is we get some food right now. Look how close they are to all the food too. So we basically get this food.
This one is so cool.
That one is huge. So we're gonna buy this. It's gonna be kind of interesting.
Earlier, the first time, I was like so scared, but then it's my second favorite animal. Earlier, when I first came, I was like, oh, because it was like so scary. There's like so many things bumping into so many people, and I even got scared like 3 times.
Let's buy some food. So we kind of have a little plan. So she's going to buy the food. She's going to give me the pack of it, and then I'm going to give her one at a time. And then we're going to feed these. And some of these with the really beautiful antlers, though they're really photogenic. So we're going to try to get these. She's got it. So open that up, and then I'll hold all of it, and then she's going to take one.
Yeah, this is a good strategy. If you come here, then you should do this. Oh, Dad, I think it's better if you take it.
Yeah, just grab, if you can open it up first, because I got the camera as well, so. Actually, our strategy isn't working too well yet, but it's gonna work really well in a second.
Well, we got it open.
So she's got it open, so she's gonna take one. I'm gonna take the whole thing. And then now that she has one, she can feed him.
Sorry, bro, this one has plastic on it. You can't eat plastic.
So I got a whole bunch of them, so maybe what we'll do.
That looks scary. Sorry?
So we're gonna have to come away because
You gotta come away.
we have to grab the boy.
These are so
Hey,
cool.
Tyler.
Yeah.
So we have to. Our strategy is it was working pretty well, but we got a lot of deer, so they're gonna kind of follow us a little bit. So we're gonna walk through them, and then once I get to the other side, I gotta protect my stash, and she has to come. Before we'd had it really good because we were just doing like one deer at a time, and now she's over here. Okay, I'm ready. Wow.
There's so many deer here.
So let's come away a little bit.
Sure.
So we got a lot of deer here, so we're just gonna try to navigate them a little bit. So there's so many that they'll follow you a little bit. So that's how you have to be careful right there because they're kind of coming. So I'm gonna give you one again.
Sure.
And then you can feed. You want to show it with this one right here?
Oh man.
So she's gonna feed it a little bit, but then you can also have this situation too where there's a lot of deer at the same time. So she's gonna have that situation now. And then I think if you stand still,
I don't want to stand still.
or just
Keep on walking.
okay,
It's so hard to do that.
yeah. There we go.
There we go, that's all for you. You can't eat too much.
So let's that one is a little bit forward.
A little bit too polite.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Hey Tyler, maybe stand up, Tyler. See how they do, Tyler?
Oh, bro.
They're a little bit
They want it a little bit too much. Bro. Yes. Good, I found.
oh, this has a beautiful antlers right there.
Hello, bro.
See if he does a bow. Yep. Oh, there's a bow right there.
So cute.
Oh, I got the whole stack here. You just saw my stack. I have a big stack behind me. There's another one. You ready for another one? There you go. There we go. Here's the bow. He's got doing the bows. His dog's quite polite because he's actually not so aggressive either.
No.
Oops. Got one on this side here.
You're not my dad. Yeah, bro.
No. Oh, it's a big, really big bow. So I got all these with me as well. So I'm kind of watching these ones, and we're kind of I'll kind of distract a little bit.
There you go. You hit him. More?
Do you want to do another one? I can go do a new one.
Arigato.
Let's go to.
Come on, dear.
Come on, Tyler. So we're gonna go check out some other ones. So I think we're gonna walk.
Eugene. You're not adult. You're not in.
We're gonna head over here. There's a ton of them over here.
Yo, what's up, bro? I want to take a picture of you.
It's a nice one.
I'm scared.
Yeah. Right in the heart of them. Oh, here comes one coming for yours.
I broke it.
He's also bowing as well. Really cool.
啊，我让他们连续3个弓挑战一下，你看啊。哎呀，行了，别来。
Okay, I'm gonna give you some more.
This is way too much just for mine.
Once we oh, the antlers are so big. Good.
And these are so big. Oh, it's so close to me.
Yeah, that's like.
There we go. Let's see if I go.
Yeah, when he bows, the antlers are.
I think he knows.
It's pretty cool. Wow, it's really cool. Wow.
So cute.
Did it bow? There's a bigger one.
Oh, this is so cute.
So maybe give some to Tyler.
Don't eat it. No eating.
Or give me one and then I'll distract. Oh, Tyler, don't do that. Do it like this, Tyler. Tyler, don't throw all of them. Tyler, Kai, you feed them like this. And if you want to, you can just feed like a half of one. If you feed like a half of one, it's better.
Yeah.